Hello, students. Today we are going to see this new chapter which is known as links. Okay, so chapter 6 in HTML lesson is links. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to see how a page is linking to another page. Okay, we have seen what is meant by web page and what is meant by website. So web page is a single page in a multiple website. Okay, so website means collection of web pages is the website. So we'll see that one by one. So introduction, definition, syntax, anchor tag. Okay, so this anchor tag is used to create links. So we are going to see that, and creating links in HTML, everything is will be seen in here. Okay, so links are a vital part of HTML, the whole concept of www. The internet is considered a web because how links are connect separate pieces or document based on the idea of a simple reference improving with the inactivity. Okay, improved with the interactivity. Okay, so you can see that there is a web like structure. Okay, so when a spider creates a web, you can see that it interconnects all the parts of the web. Likewise, you can see that this links is used to create a web. Okay, a link, a normal link between one document to another document, or one page to another page. So everything can be done by using this anchor tag, and as a result, a simple click take you from the referred document to one mentioned in the link. Links are the most fundamental parts of the World Wide Web. It is the link that ties it all together. Okay, so you can see that when you are using any website or web page, you can see that everything will be linked. Okay, so if you take an example of YouTube. Okay, so this YouTube, you can see that when you open that app or when you open that website in the computer, you can see that every small box thumbnails the of the videos will be a link. When you click on that or when you touch on that, it will take you to a new page. So this is known as connecting one page to another page. Okay. So definition, the link tag, the link tag defines the relationship between a document of an external resource. The link tag is mostly used to link style sheets. Okay, so if you want a web page with more stylish and more attractive text and more attractive design, then you can use this link tag to link uh, the style sheets. So style sheets is a separate document that will contain information how the page should be appearing. Okay, so font of this paragraph must be this, heading of this paragraph should be this. Everything will be described in text in this spreadsheet. So and then this style sheet will be linked with the web page. Okay, so that this link will create the link between the web page and the style sheet. So a link is a connection from one web resource to another. It refers this reference establish a implicit relationship between the referring document and the resource linked. Link can be classified as visual, context, or hidden. So even you can create a visible link that is visual context, and it can be hidden. Okay, some of the links will not be seen and will not be viewed by the user. Okay, so that's why it's known as hidden. So you can create both this kind of links. Okay, so this is the syntax. A is the anchor tag, so that will refer to href. Href means hyperlink reference. So this URL will, you can see that this URL will contain some file name or other websites name, other website link, so that when you click on this text, link text, so this link text will be shown to you in a blue color underlined font. Okay, the entire font will be in a blue color with the underlined font. So when you place the cursor, which means that pointer above this link text, it will change to hand symbol. Okay, it will change to the hand symbol, so that you can see that you can understand that this is a link. So next is they are describing about the anchor tag. So you can see that this link anchor tag, a tag is defined as hyperlink. So mm, so you can give some words to this hyperlink, so that these words will be displayed as a link. Not only word, you can give anything. Okay, you can link the entire paragraph, or even you can link entire image. Okay, so when what wherever place you click on this image, then it will take you to the uh, it will take you to the next page. Okay, which is linked to the text or image or paragraph, anything. So now we'll see this creating links. Okay, so here you can see that they have created two HTML pages, and you can see that, so flowers, so the first page is flowers. You can see that they have created two hyperlink reference, a href tallest flower.html and heaviest flower.html. So you can see that in the next line, click here to know about the tallest flower. So that is the link text. And in the next line also you can see that click here to know about the heaviest flower. So this will be displayed in the page. Okay, we'll see that. So this is the output of that first page. So you can see that it is providing you two links here. When you click on that first link, tallest flower, you can see that this page will be executed. It will show you the tallest flower and the details of it. So likewise, you can you have to create three web pages, and you have to link that tallest web page, sorry, tallest flower web page and the heaviest flower web page in a in a separate HTML file, so that the connected HTML file will be executed, and the other tallest flower and the heaviest flower will not be executed, and they will be creating a link by the main file. Okay, so here you can see that uh, this is a way of creating links. Okay, so three web pages is being created first, and the first web page is connected with the three other two web pages with the anchor tag and their file name. Okay, so when you click on that text that is given inside the tag, then it will take you to the respective web page. Okay, so now here you can see that the important things here. So what is the color change of the link? Okay, so when you click on that, it will show you red color. Okay, after clicking and leaving the button, it will change into purple color. So before clicking, you can see that it will be in blue color. So a link will be in different colors. Okay, so just by seeing that, you can understand what is the link is, type is. Okay, so when you see a link with a blue color font, then you can understand that this link is not visited uh, previously. Okay, so if you see a link with a purple color, then you can understand that this link is been visited previously. Okay, but you can see that there is a color which is known as red color. It is often not noticed, but when you see a blue color link, when you click and press and hold the mouse button, and you can find that that will be in a red color, and when you leave it, it will change to the purple color. Okay, so this is the colors to indicate what type of link it is. Okay, so these are all the outputs of that two pages. So with this, we are completing the chapter. Next chapter is table. So if you want to create a table in a web page, then you have to use this tags. Okay, so table tag is very useful to arrange data in a proper way, and they are used frequently by almost all website developers. And tables are just like a spreadsheet, and they are made up of rows and columns. So by using the table, you can divide the page into separate sections. It is used for creating menus, mark list, and timetables. So the table is a data structure that organizes the information into rows and columns. It can be used in both storing and displaying the data in a structured format. Websites often use the tables to display multiple rows and columns of data on a page. Tables are defined with a tag which is known as table, and the table is divided into rows which has a tr tag, and each row is divided into cells with a td. Td tag means table data. The letter td is stands for table data, which is contains of data cell. A data cell can contain text, image, list, paragraph, forms, horizontal ruler, anything. Okay, anything you need, you can keep it inside this td tag. So that's the table. Uh, that's a cell data of a table in HTML. So likewise, you can create any number of tables as you like. Okay. So tr is Tables are defined with table tag and a slash table tag. The table is divided into rows and rows with a tr table tag, and each row is divided into data cells with the td tag. Okay. Mhm. So this is a small example here. They have created HTML head title, famous books and author. Mm. So in the body tag, you can see that table border is equal to 5. So you can see that 5 pixel will be allotted to the border, and the tr, inside the tr you can see that this is a single table row, but it contains two columns. Okay, so two cells. So broken wing Sarojan Naidu and slash tr, which is the end of the first row. The second row is Internal India by Eternal India by Indira Gandhi. Okay, so these are all the book names and their authors. Okay, so you can see that this is the output of the particular table. You can see a slight border around the table, and you can see that it creates two rows and two columns. Okay, so you can see tr, two trs here and two tds in each row. Okay. Mm. So table header th, there is a separate tag for t table header. You can see that you can create this table header when you are providing the data for the first time. Okay, first row. So this is the type of table header. It will be center in size. It will be somewhat bolder than other text. So this kind of operation will be automatically updated. Okay. So next is cell spacing and cell padding, cell border, everything. So cell spacing and cell padding means the spacing inside the cell and spacing outside the cell. Everything will be discussed here. So here you can see that cell padding. Okay, cell padding means the spacing inside the cell. You can see that this darker gray. You can see that this is the spacing inside the cell between the text. Okay, so if your text uh, wants to be at the top, at the top margin of the cell, then you can use this cell padding to add some spacing at the bottom of the text, so that you can you can you can see the text as you like. So next is cell padding. Cell padding means spaces between the cells. Okay, so if you need cell padding, then you can create with this spacing. The values are given in a pixel way or in a percentage way. Okay, so this is, but here in this example they have given the data in a pixel format, so that it will be in a easy way. Okay, so table border is 3 pixels, cell spacing is 10 pixels, and cell padding is 20 pixels. So when you see the output of it, you can see that this is the output of this cell spacing and cell padding example. You can understand that this, if for each space, for each cell there will be a 5 pixel, I think. Cell padding, yes, there will be a 20 pixel gap, and inside the cell you can find a 10 pixel. Okay, a 10 pixel of space inside the cell. So alignment option, you can see that there are alignment option in the td tag. So table data alignment left, right, center. Okay.